Okay, it's a simple thing. We are going to read that, okay? Just a simple thing. We are going to read it. And how are we going to read it?
Which book, ma'am?
English Literature Part 2, textbook Part 2. Okay, so you have the textbook, everyone.
Good.
Page number 35. Ready with the page number 35?
Yes, ma'am.
Very well. So I want you to read it with accent, right?
Yes.
That's what we are here for. Okay, so I need a pencil too. Everyone, please take a pencil. Please take a pencil, please. Okay, what we're going to do is we are going to mark something in your textbook. My dear board, please load. Yeah, the board is loading. We are going to mark some things on your textbook and one sec. Okay, we will be using certain symbols like this. The first one is a circle. We'll be drawing a circle in certain words that you will be dragging. Okay, so whenever some of you drags, what is this?
My.
Louder, please. One sec. I need 1 sec, my dear ones.
My.
One sec, dear. Just a minute. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
The thing is, I can't hear you properly.
Hello. I can hear you. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello.
The sound I hear is a bit low. Okay, just let me try once again.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Hello.
Yes. Better. Very good. Okay. So now, what is this?
My.
Okay.
My.
And one more thing I want to say, everyone. I want to say one more thing. Okay. The thing is, whenever you are in my session, you do the accent thing. Yes. You are worried about it, you're concerned about it, and whenever you read it, you say it with an accent. But when you are in some other sessions, you never use this accent thing. You are as it is, right? Did you notice that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The thing is, I'm watching your English classes and your math sessions. Okay, English class like taken by Preeti ma'am, and math session taken by Mini ma'am. Yes, I'm watching your sessions over there, and you don't use your accent over there. Why you don't use the accent? Because Joseph, don't drag it.
Because
Very good.
it's different.
No, actually, you are learning this to apply in every sessions, not just this session. Okay.
Yeah.
You have to make use of this in every sessions, else you won't practice it. Are you practicing this thing at home? No, right?
Yes.
You're practicing?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Then why you change it to the other sessions? Why you're switching the accent in other sessions? If you're practicing at home also, automatically your accent will be different, right? Okay, so let's move on. So what is this MY? What is MY? Okay. Now read this. Oh, wow. Again. Very well. Okay. Evina. Evina, read this.
My name is Evina.
Someone else also read that. My name is. Who read that? My name is.
My name is Evina.
Sorry?
My name is Evina.
Tom Saji. Okay. Tom Saji. Yeah. The thing is, you have to circle such words wherever you are dragging. Okay? It's not my, it's my. Okay? It's my. So the thing is, in your textbook, you are going to circle certain words that you will be dragging. And why I wrote Evina was, Evina dear, you were dragging your name. Evina.
Ma'am, it was not me.
Okay, let it be. Evina?
Yes.
Yes, Evina, you read this as my name is Evina, right?
Yes.
Yes, Evina. Don't drag it. My name is Evina. Say that. Evina, say my name is Evina.
My name is Evina.
Very good. Well done. So now in the textbook, we will be marking circle to the places that you will be dragging. And now the next we will be underlining certain sounds. Why do we underline certain sounds? Is whenever you see the underline, you have to stress that sound. Suppose put. In put, we have to underline the per and ter sound. Per and ta sound. Underline. So how do we say this? Put. Put. Yes. Now, the next one, we will be marking a bracket. Why bracket is like, what is the spelling of car? C-A-R. So everyone, in the spelling, we have the R. In the spelling, we have the letter R, the sound R. But when we say it's not car, it's car, right? R is silent. So wherever the sound is silent, if the spelling is having the letter, and the sound is having the letter silent, we just put a bracket. So whenever we see that, we understand the sound is silent. Okay? So these are the three symbols we will be using while reading this chapter. Now, what we're going to do is I'll be calling you one by one to read. Raise your hand, those who are ready to read now. Okay, one sec. I'll start with Bennett. You put your hands up, like raise your hand, smiley is there, right? Please put that on. Those who are ready to read, put that raise your hand thing. No, dear. There's a raise your hand thing, no? Yes, Ritika had put that. Ritika had put raise your hand. Tom Saji put. Yes, very good, very good. Those who are ready to read, put that raise your hand thing, please. Okay, Bennett, let's start.
ma'am.
Okay, start reading.
One day, the animal in the forest decided to go on a picnic.
Hmm.
It is a nice day for a picnic, says Fox.
Okay, very good, Bennett. Thank you. Now, Ritika. Oh my God. Where is Ritika? Ritika. Yes, okay. Ritika, please unmute. Yes, read the same thing, dear.
One day, the animals in the forest decided to go on a picnic.
Decide, not decided.
Decide to go on a picnic.
Very good. Continue.
It's a nice day for a picnic, says the fox.
Okay, well done. Thank you, dear. Now, everyone, please listen. As this is an accent session, you are reading it with accent. Well done. But once I'm gone, you won't read it with accent, right? Right? Once I'm gone, you are not going to read it with accent. So what we are going to do is, we are going to put these symbols on your textbook. Ready? You're going to mark them. So everyone, circle 1. Circle 1. Circle day. The animals in the forest. The ter sound of forest, underline. The ter sound of forest, underline. Decide to. Decide to. The underline ter of to. Ter of to. Then you have to underline per of picnic and circle it. Per of picnic and circle it. Then it is it, the ter of it, underline, is circle. It is a nice day for ra of for in bracket, because we never say the for. No for, it's for a picnic again. In picnic, per ka underline and circle the picnic. Yes, once you're done with this, please keep your pencils aside. Meantime, we'll ask some of you to read it. Chaitanya dear, unmute. One sec, where's Chaitanya? Unmute Chaitanya. Hi Chaitanya.
Hi.
Louder, louder.
Hi.
Very well. So, shall we start reading?
Yes.
Okay, start.
One day.
Dear, don't drag the day. Circle it, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, whenever you see the circle, you should know that you shouldn't drag that word. One day.
One day.
Mm.
The animals in the forest.
Forest. The ter sound should come out. Forest.
Decided to go on a picnic.
Well done. It
is a nice day to go for a picnic.
Don't get influence of the ra in for. Just say for. For a picnic. Says the fox. Says the fox. Well done. Now, those who are ready, you have to put that raise your hand smiley, my dear. so that you don't have to keep on putting like this. Okay. Ritika has that smiley. Tirtha has that smiley. Tom Saji has that smiley. That blue one. Okay. Very well, very well, very well. Okay. So I'll start with Ritika. You already started. You already read that, no? Who was that? Tirtha. Tirtha, dear, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tirtha. Now you have to read the second paragraph. Okay.
Okay.
Start.
The squirrels bring nuts. The rabbits bring juicy carrots. The fox bring fat grapes. Their picnic baskets are full.
Okay, well done. Now there are some changes in this. Again, we need a pencil. To the second para. To the second para, the squirrels circle the. There's a chance that you drag the squirrels bring nuts. T, underline the T of nuts. The rabbits T of rabbits, and circle the rabbits. Rabbits. Don't read it as rabbits. Read it, rabbits. Rabbits bring juicy carrots. Again, the T and K of carrots underline and circle the carrots. It's not carrots, they are carrots. The fox brings fat grapes. Fat T underline, grapes per underline. Grapes per underline, then their picnic, okay. There, the R sound of there is silent. So put the R sound in bracket. There, picnic baskets are full. Picnic, per, k, underline, baskets, T, underline of basket, R. Bracket, the R of R. Android CB? Okay, so once you're done, please raise your hand. The smiley only, okay? You just need to send me the smiley. Okay, Tom Saji, let's start reading. Tom, please unmute.
Wait a minute, ma'am.
Yes, the squirrels.
The squirrels bring nuts. The squirrels bring nuts. The rabbits bring juicy carrots. The fox brings fat grapes. Their picnic baskets are full.
Tom Saji. Tom Saji?
Yes, ma'am.
Dear, did you circle the rabbits and carrots? Tom Saji, did you circle the carrots and rabbits? Okay, so whenever you see the circle, you should remember that you shouldn't drag that word, okay? And,
Okay, ma'am.
And their picnic, ra is silent. So put the ra in bracket, there. Their picnic baskets are, not are, ra is silent, say are. Their picnic baskets are full.
Are full.
Their picnic baskets are full.
The picnic baskets are full.
Very good, very good, very good. Well done. Well done. So who is ready next? Please raise your hand. Evelyn. Joseph, you're ready, right? Ritika, my dear, you already read. Okay? Ritika, you just relax. Chaitanya, you also read. Those who didn't read, okay? Yes. Evelyn.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the second paragraph, my dear.
The animals.
Second, not the third one. Second. The squirrels bring nuts.
The squirrel brings nuts. The rabbit brings juicy carrots. The fox brings fat grapes.
The picnic.
The picnic
Baskets are full.
baskets are full.
Are full.
Are full.
Are full.
Are full.
Okay, so now what we are going to do is, everybody, did you mark those things? The circle, underline, and the brackets? Did you mark it? Say yes or no. Okay, so now I'm going to read it. You read it along with me. Okay, will you do that? I'm going to read, then you have to follow me. Deal? Okay, well done. So let's start. The squirrels
Brings nuts.
don't go forward me. Come on. After me, please.
The squirrels. The squirrels.
Hello. After me, please. After me, okay? I'll read first. Then you follow me, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. The squirrels.
The squirrels. The
Squirrels. Hello. Did you circle the squirrels? The squirrels? Those who said squirrels, circle the squirrels. Those who said squirrels, circle the squirrels. And whenever you see that, you should remember that you shouldn't drag that squirrels, okay? So here we go. The squirrels.
The squirrels
Bring nuts.
bring nuts.
The rabbits.
The rabbits. The rabbits
Bring
bring
juicy carrots.
Juicy carrots.
The fox
The fox
brings
brings
fat grapes.
fat grapes.
Their picnic.
The picnic
Baskets
baskets
are full.
are
Full.
full.
Well done. Yes, very good. Well done. Now we have one more paragraph to go. Okay? For this session, we have to complete one more paragraph. Now everyone, look at the book and take the pencil, please. The animals set. Underline the ter of set. Underline the ter of set. The animals set. Ter of set. Off for the park. Off for. Bracket the r of for. Bracket the r of for. Set of for the park. Bracket the r of park. Set of for the park. Now, on the way. Way, circle the way. There's a chance that you drag it. Way. It's not way. It's way.
Way.
On the way.
On the way.
On the way.
On the
Again,
way.
circle the day. It's not they. It's they.
They.
Yes. They come to a stream. Come. Ka of come, underline. T of to, underline, come to a stream. T of stream, underline. Okay, so everyone, the time is up. What we are going to do is I'll be sending you this picture in the WhatsApp, okay? So look at that and do it.
The ant salesman.
Sorry?
First song you put that song.
No, dear, the next class is waiting, so I have to leave. So I'll do one thing. I'll be sending you the picture and do it as such, okay? You have to copy it in the textbook. Okay, everyone? Thank you all for joining. See you again in the next session.
Bye-bye.